Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the polymorphic this type. We also saw the example for it, right? So today we'll be discussing about the unknown versus any. So the unknown type is a safer alternative to any. Again, I'm telling the unknown type is a safer alternative to sorry. The unknown type is a safer alternative to any. While any allows unrestricted operations, unknown forces type checking before use, ensuring basically the type safety, right? So this is simple. Let's try to implement the same thing with the example, right? So let's see risks of any versus safety of unknown. Nothing but let's compare any and unknown, right? So I'll quickly come here. Let me make use of I'll just give here a risky. So this will be of any. I'll just assign this one to 1, 2, 3, and I'll just give here safe. I'll just give here unknown, right? Let's make use of the unknown and let me give here 1, 2, 3. So here this is risky because we are not making use of the type checking. This may cause the runtime errors as well. So I'll just quickly come here. I'll just log here this one risky dot to let me make use of the to uppercase this one function. This is fine, right? So we might get the runtime error because risky dot to uppercase is not a function, right? So next let's go with the safe option. So basically let's see how can we force the compiler to check before use, right? So we can just go with the if condition here. Let's make use of type of. So here safe equals within the string. Let me pass the string here. So let me quickly log here safe dot let's make use of to uppercase again here. This one. Let me consider here this one. Else what I'll do? I'll just give here. Let me make use of the console log. Here I'll just give here cannot perform string operations on non-string types. If it is a non-string type, we will be displaying cannot perform string operations on non-string types. So I hope this is clear. Let's try to run the code. Initially, I'll just explain what I've done here, what I have written. So then let's try to run the code. So here using any, so we have made use of the any over here, right? So using any skips basically type checking, leading to the potential runtime errors. That's what I have said here. So we have assigned the risky. This is of the type any, right? So again, while I was about to log this one here, basically I had said that here, right? So this one is risky. Basically, here we are not going with the type checking. This might cause runtime errors. That's what I said right here. And next one, the unknown type basically, whenever we make use of the unknown type here, we have made use of the unknown type here, right? So the unknown type requires explicit checks, improving the safety basically. So let's try to run the code here. So yeah, I'll just give here. So you can clearly see here, we are getting the output undefined and we cannot perform string operations on the non-string types. So which is the output is absolutely correct, right? So I hope the concept of this one unknown versus any is completely clear. We clearly saw this one with the example, right? So I hope this concept is completely clear. Let's next let's discuss about the never type. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.